Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set pin lock on Netflix app or on your Netflix profile. To do this, you have just to go to Netflix, open the app, and after that, go and click on My Netflix on the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on your profile name and click on Manage Profiles. And after that, click on that pen on your profile icon. And as you can see, there is an option here called Profile Lock. Just click on it, and after that, click on Create a Profile Lock. And here, it will ask you to enter the password of your Netflix account to continue. You have just to enter your password, click OK. And here you can enter the 4-digit PIN to lock your profile. For example, I will put 4 zeros. And like that, the profile lock is on for me. And as you can see now, after I click done, there is a lock below my profile name. And there is, like, as you can see, there is a lock here. And now if someone open Netflix and want to enter to my profile, he have to enter that profile lock PIN. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.